What colors will the roadies wear this season? Spring is just around the corner and style-seeking cyclists can finally shop for kits as the new collections drop. Do you know what the brands have lined up for us? Well, I've had a snoop around the biggest stores to report what colors make this season's hottest trends. For all you matchy roadies out there, I hereby grant you the Hot On Style Report Color Edition of 2025. Okay, let's dive into it, starting with the letter A for Assos. Swiss brand Assos is all about top quality, well thought out kits, but let's be honest, they're also pretty conservative, sticking to their usual mix of logo jerseys and solid colors. This season, we're seeing a blend of gold and warm copper tones in their jerseys, along with some juicy petrol green. Attaquer's homepage promotes an inked black and white street style, but dig a little deeper and guess what? Yep, they are riding the same Assos color wave, warm metallic shades and cool blue greens. Check out this copper jersey with matching bibs, no less. Their minimalist kit work whether you're inked head to toe or as fresh skinned as a newborn. Over at Black Sheep, we're seeing both that coppery shade and a jersey leaning towards blue-green. Starting to see the pattern, eh? So far, we've got a color palette of warm metallics, gold, copper and bronze. And as a balance in color, this bluish green is popping up across several brands. But wait, there's more. Marchi, the ultra-classy Italian brand, has its own take on the trend. A rich, vibrant golden tone that really stands out. Another Italian player, Giordana, is also bang on trend with a bronze jersey plus that same blue-green shade making another appearance. Chinese brand Monton isn't missing out either. They've got a discreetly striped bronze jersey plus a solid version if you prefer to keep it clean. And surprise, surprise, they're also rolling out that cool petrol green. It's official. Warm metallics are the look for the season. So why do so many brands drop the same colors at the same time? Well, in the fashion world, this isn't some cosmic coincidence. It's got a lot to do with stuff like Première Vision in Paris. This is the trade show where the fashion industry gets a sneak peek at the latest fabrics from the top textile suppliers. And those suppliers, they are taking cues from trendsetters like Pantone and other color predicting gurus. If a brand wants to play it safe, following these trend forecasts is a no-brainer. It keeps them in line with the bigger fashion picture. Alright, here comes the final players. Panormal Studios, the Danish minimalist masters, are keeping things sleek with solid color jerseys. Yep, you guessed it, bronze is in, and so is cool green with a few variations in the mix. Santini is bringing some more shimmering copper to the table. Honestly, it's going to be wild seeing so many cyclists rolling around like they've been dipped in a penny. Swedish brand Sigr has gone for a deep copper shade in their lineup. Sportful is all about copper and bronze tones for their jerseys. So if you're thinking of freshening up your cycling wardrobe while keeping things trendy, gold, copper and bronze is the way to go this year, along with some bluish greens to balance it all out. But where did this color trend come from? I reckon those warm metallics and earthy tones are sneaky imports from the gravel scene. You know, all those dusty riders who bolt luggage racks onto every spare bit of their bike and ride around with flabby t-shirts? Well, looks like part of the gravel aesthetic has crept onto the tarmac. Now the choice is yours. Are you hopping on the trend train or are you sitting this one out? Please leave a colorful remark in the comment section and let the verbal battle begin.